The possible values of x which satisfy the trigonometric equation tan inverse x minus a by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to pi by 4 are option A plus minus 1 by root 2, option B plus minus root 2, option C plus minus half, option D plus minus 2. It came in WB Joint 2017. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. Formula we have to write tan inverse A plus tan inverse B equal to, we know, tan inverse A plus B by 1 minus A into B. So tan inverse x minus A by x minus 2 plus x plus A, x plus 1 by x plus 2 by 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. Now we have to do LCM. We will get, after simplification, we will get x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x minus 2 into x plus 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 means the value of tan pi by 4 equal to 1, we know. So after simplification here we will get 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 equal to 1. তাহলে 2x square minus 4 equal to minus 3. তাহলে 2x square equal to 1. তাহলে x square equal to half. X equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Option A is the correct answer.